Okay, so now let's learn about the OR logical operator in Python. So we'll now learn about OR logical operator. So now this is similar. We have seen that truth table. Let me copy that code, and instead of and we'll use OR this time, and let's see what we get. So in first case we got some issue, right? Let's see what happened when I use OR. So again, this is not the problem with here with the operator. It was basically this range itself. We are like not we are omitting it by the conditional operators, which we'll cover next. So let's do one thing. We'll put OR is greater than 0 or less than 100, right? And let's make this 110. Now we'll see. So this is something wrong because I am checking here that it is greater is less than between 0 and 100, but the problem what OR brings, right? So since this particular equation is true, it has made entire result true. So it has not worried about this, not even thinking about that what it is, right? So that's where we need to be super, you know, uh, super careful where what how or and we are using. Now the overall this result is not true. So this is not between 0 and 100. It is between 0 and 110 because, or 112 at least, because the value is 110. Okay, so that is something about or operators. We can again club it with the another operators or and all. So that is again depending upon how you want to use it and what is your use case. So that's all about or operators. See you in the next video.